This episode is brought to you by ReadyPack's Disaster and Survival Kits. If you find yourself in a disaster or survival situation, ReadyPacks has you covered. With multiple pack sizes for 1 to 4 people and up to 72 hours, ReadyPacks is the one you need. Hey guys, it's David from Trail Adventures USA, and on today's episode, we're going to install the KC HiLights. This is the C2 LED, and we're going to install this on our Prinsu rack. Now these lights are going to help us with more visibility when we arrive at the campsite at night. So stay tuned for another episode. So on this package, guys, it's the number 519, the C2 LED. It's a backup area and floodlight system, and it's a complete LED lighting system. Let's see what we got. First of all, packaging is very good, lots of foam. Each LED is packed individually. There is a piece of cellophane over the lens. Very nice, very heavy duty. It also comes with hardware. And then below this foam here is a complete wiring harness with an instruction. So there are instructions. Some free stickers, awesome. And then the wire harness comes with zip ties, quick connection for each light, has a fuse and a switch. Now if you'll remember, in previous episodes, we're using the 6-shooter trigger system. We'll actually put a link to that right up here on the screen. And so that's how we will be wiring these. We'll actually use part of this harness, and then the remainder will be with our trigger system. So stay tuned. While the KC HiLights kit comes complete with wiring harness and hardware, you will require some tools: a 13mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, and an Allen wrench. Okay guys, first start off by installing the 13mm bolt into the bracket. Then, use the supplied hardware to attach to the light fixture. Using the Nylox nut, your 10mm wrench, and Allen key, tighten up the rest of the hardware. Okay guys, so the KC HiLights, the 13mm nut barely fits in the slot, but you don't have to drill it. Just tap it into the slotted hole and then apply your hardware to the back. Now you'll notice there are some limitations to the articulation of this hinge. It doesn't go past 90 degrees, so make sure you have it in the right direction for either side of the truck that you plan on installing it. Then it's just a matter of using a 13mm to tighten it up. So we've tightened up the hardware. We've already got 2 installed on this side. Repeat the process for the other side. Okay guys, so what we're doing right now is we're altering the KC wire harness slightly for our wiring setup. So we have 3 lights in the back section and 4 lights in the front section. So we're gonna combine the 3 lights at the back with their own wire harness. That'll go to the front of the truck to the trigger controller. We'll do the same process for the front. Hey guys, so real quick I want to tell you a little bit about ReadyPacks. Now ReadyPack has sponsored this video today. ReadyPacks is also providing 4 backpacks for the Joshua Tree cleanup to be given away as part of the raffle. So if you guys can make it out, help us clean up our public lands. This way they'll be around for us to go off-roading in the future. Now we installed the KC HiLights, the C2 LEDs. We're going to be heading out once the sun drops to show you what those look like. They're going to light up the night, I promise you.